Shit, I wasn't recording the whole time. Hello every awesome man, nation number one Ghana girl Juju, bringing you awesomeness straight from Ghana. Oh yeah, take it. I dyed my hair again, yay. I dyed my hair again by myself at home. Disclaimer, if you want to dye your hair, please go to the salon and get a professional to do your hair for you. Makama Asam. The box dye versus the powdered dye. Maybe you've watched videos where they've told you the difference, but I used the powdered dye with this it's powdered with this solution that you have to mix it to develop the color. That is what has worked on my hair like this as compared to the box cream. When I used it, the result is what is the color, like the color of my hair you see in my previous videos before this video. That is the color of hair I got from using the box dye. So I believe that if I use the powdered dye like 2 or 3 times again on this, I'm basically going to be an old woman. It's gonna be yellow or white. You make sure you are wearing gloves, people. The chemical is very, very strong. So carefully apply it in your hair like a G. You know, you're not a professional, but you act like you know what you're doing, like me. Yeah, like that. After I wash the hair, please don't bath and wash your hair at the same time, especially using that chemical dye, because Charlie, if it accidentally gets in your eye, I can still feel it. I mean, I can still see, so we all know that nothing bad happened. If you're going to take a bath and wash the dye out of your hair, make sure you wash the hair first separately from your body, and then you take a bath, you know. You wash the hair, put conditioner in it, you know, and then bath, you know, let the conditioner sit in for a while, and then just wash it out, and yeah, voila, results, people, results. There are some box creams that work, but the box cream I got, it worked to an extent, but not to this intensity, so airplane passing. Which dye do you use to dye your hair? Do you use the box dye? Let me know in the comments below. Do you have plans of, you know, changing up your look? I've been feeling really insecure lately about myself, and I'm like, I want to change my look. I can't get plastic surgery, so, and the haircut was just too extreme. I'm gonna get it later, not right now. And I'm like, what can I do to myself that doesn't cost so much money? Dye your hair, of course. Thank you so much for watching. What do you think about my new hair dye? I'm gonna style it eventually, so calm down. Like, subscribe, share. You know the drill. Do something. Go forth and be awesome. Juju out.